I'm ready to move this heavy shelf. So let's see. Most good. So spider paradise behind. Fuck. Sorry for the language, but I'm not scared from spiders. I'm not scared from spiders. So okay. Perfect. So need to create some angle issues. More. Perfect. Do I need to move it a little bit closer? I think no. This will be perfect. Let's put inside some shelves. So empty looks like this. So let's fill it up with the shelves. And this is how it looks filled with the shelves. All metallic, very good shelves. I find it in local marketplace. So very good shelves. So let's fill up our shelf with tools what I have laying all around, so laying everywhere around. So I think let's check how it looks, how far it looks like, how it basically looks. I think something like that. So change this light with a normal light, work light above my head, something like that. Something like that, yeah. Okay. Let's think how to change this crappy old lamp with something. Perhaps let's start as that. Because I want light over my working table, so also I can work better then. Do I need separate switch to this one? It's very long, it's good, so perhaps I need also by let's see. Okay, I need this one attached to roof, not roof but ceilings. Let's open it up, and I think it will be better if I create some lamp overhead. It's turning on also with these lights. Let's see you after some time. And some minutes later, beautiful. Let's see, showing my perfect. Oh, perfect. So this is more powerful than this one. I think double power from that, but I also want to show what's happening on this table. Not only what's happening in this area. So right now, so this is done. It's not beautiful, wires laying around, but for now it's okay. I will rebuild this completely. I think I need buy more also this type of lamps or these ones. This is very beautiful, powerful. So let's see how it looks on the screen. Right now it's for working, it's light on the table, so it's good, very good to work. So let's move some things around, and I think let's fill up a little bit with some parts and instruments that are laying around. Then it will be more compacted in one place. So I have some instrument shelves also and some instruments laying on the floor. So let's make a little bit beautiful than it is right now. So this corner I want to put my heater. So I need to get rid of this and put everything away. So again, see you in a few moments.